immerse yourself in the ultimate luxury experience with the Blue Whale Spa Santa Cruz VII hot tub. Perfect for young families, this oasis of relaxation boasts 5 seats and a lounger, comfortably accommodating everyone. The Balboa TP200 control panel ensures a seamless hot tub experience, offering effortless control at your fingertips. Indulge in the foot massage feature, powered by 47 jets and 2 StormForce 9 pumps, creating a therapeutic haven in your own backyard. Add an element of tranquility with 4 serene fountains and 2 10-inch waterfalls, turning every soak into a spa-like retreat. Night dips are elevated with the glow of 29 LEDs, creating a magical atmosphere. The Santa Cruz VII also introduces the new chemical tablet dispensing technology, ensuring clean, safe water for your family. But that's not all. This package includes free matching steps and an insulating cover, along with UK mainland delivery and expert installation by our dedicated engineer team. Experience the Santa Cruz VII, where luxury meets family fun. Enjoy the Blue Whale Spa difference today.